Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Gronnert, and today we're going to be reading sight words from the story, Look Inside an Ant Colony. I'll mark under each of the words with the color. When you see the color go under the word, read the word with me. Let's begin. Insects are ants. The ant. One is. Look here. Inside. Together. Work. The. One. The ant. Inside. Ants. Together. Here. Work. Look. Insects. Is. Are. Okay, let's go through and read each of the words again. This time we'll read faster. Ready? Insects. Are. Ants. The ant. One is. Look. Here. Inside. Together. Work. The. One. The ant. Inside. Ants. Together. Here. Work. Look. Insects. Is. Are. Great job. Thanks for practicing your reading with me today. I hope to see you again very soon.